All right, guys, now let's break down the most important part or aspect of the Creditfixrr software, and that is the Dispute Center. Okay, we're currently inside of the Dispute Center. You can access it by clicking this button right here, and it's going to bring you to this screen right here. Now, basically, the credit reports are the backbone of Creditfixrr. You need a credit report in order to actually fix your credit. So when you import your credit report, the Dispute Center is going to show each and every account that's listed on your credit report, okay? If it's not listed on your credit report, you will not see it here. You will see your public records. You will see data furnishers here as well, and all of the inquiries that are being reported. Now, you have a couple options when you are disputing within Creditfixrr. Now, this tab right here. Notice that the Dispute Center has a couple tabs. It has the all accounts, it has disputes, and then it has the dispute letter tracker. Now, the dispute letter tracker is just a copy of the dispute letter tracker that's on your dashboard. The all accounts displays each and every account, as I just stated earlier, right? Now, the Dispute Center, when you select your filter, you're able to dispute in various ways. Now, I'm going to come back to this tab right here in a second. First, I want to show you guys how to select the accounts that you want to dispute, okay? So let's say that you want to dispute these negative items from your credit report. Now, Creditfixrr allows you to set the filter. So you can just go in here and find all of the negative accounts, right? So I've selected a couple already. Equifax, this one's only being reported to Equifax. If it's not being reported to a particular credit bureau, then you'll see it grayed out. Now, this one is Experian, Equifax and Experian. This one is just Experian. Let's say I want to, this one's just Equifax. All right, that's all the negative items. Now, if I wanted to dispute positive accounts, I can as well. So I can go here. Now, here's another thing that Creditfixrr does that's really great. We have Creditfixrr, we have a report that basically analyzes your credit report and finds the inaccuracies or violations that's reported on your credit report for each account, okay? So if you hover over it, it'll let you know why it's a violation or inaccuracy, all right? Now, balance showing on the transferred or sold account, all right? So if I click out and I go to this one, let's see what past due showing on a collection, balance showing on a transferred or sold account. Let's find another one. Let's see. Violation, balance showing a transferred or sold account. Okay. So now I just wanted to point that out. Now in Creditfixrr, you have a couple ways of disputing. Now, if you notice, I just selected all the negative accounts. Now, if I go to Dispute Center, you'll see a couple tabs. The Data Furnishers tab. You'll see Credit Bureaus tab right here. Now, if I were to go to Metro 2 is one of the easiest ways to dispute within Creditfixrr software. We have an attack guide right here that shows you exactly how and when to mail out your dispute letters, okay? So if you just follow this attack guide, you'll find success, okay? So if I wanted to generate a dispute letter, all I did was a Metro 2 dispute letter. I have my 7 accounts that I want to dispute. I go to disputes, go under dispute, the Metro 2 guide, and I will click create attack. Already done. If I were to go to dispute letter tracker, you'll see it right here. If you watch the other videos, you can see, you can come in and you can view it. Scroll down and view the Metro 2 letter. Shows you all the accounts. Okay. So that's how you do that. Now, let me show you guys another form of disputing. So let's say, for instance, you guys want to dispute using the factual or consumer law route. Okay. So I have my accounts already selected. Now, let me actually go back to all accounts and I need to select some dispute reasons, right? Now, what we've done here at Creditfixrr is we've provided over 150 dispute reasons that you can choose from, but also you can actually come in here and put your own dispute reasons, right? So you can come here, you can actually look at this and say past due showing on the collection, please delete. So if I delete this, past due showing on a collection account, please delete. You can use that, or you can use your own dispute reasons, okay? So I just wanted to point that out. If you go in here, this is a collection, so let me find collection charge off. You can select a dispute reason and use that as a dispute reason. Okay, charge off, let's find another one. So you can find that one. I think I have balance out in here, so let me see. Balance. Doesn't show balance. Flex. And why is the balance lower than high balance? If you don't see it, you can actually just type it in, but I'm just going to select one just for a reason, right? Now, I'm not going to do this for all of them, but I'm just going to select these. And now I'm going to go to disputes. And let's say these are charge-offs. So I'm going to go to credit bureaus and I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to follow the collection and charge-off dispute flow. Like that. Now it's automatically going to import the accounts that are negative that we selected. And it's going to put the dispute reasons in there. If you don't see a dispute reason, you can type your own. Again, you can edit every dispute letter within the system. Another thing that you can do is you can rewrite the dispute letter by using ChatGPT. Now, I'm just going to update some of the language. Not everything, but it's going to update the language. You can type in whatever you want. Now, caveat, whenever you use the AI rewriter, you want to rewrite the dispute letter first and then add in your documentation, your images if you want, or anything else. And then you can add those in afterwards. Okay, so rewrite it first and then add in your documentation. Otherwise, it will get overwritten. All right. Now, if I go here, the accounts that were reported for Equifax show up here. Now, you can also open up ChatGPT on the sidebar and ask it a question. You can copy that and paste it in here if you wanted to. Go ahead and click create letter. Now, all three of those dispute letters were generated and created, and they're going to end up in the dispute letter tracker. There it is right here. Again, you can edit your dispute letters. See them right there. Okay. Now, let's see. Let's go back to all accounts. Let's talk about inquiries. Now, let's say you want to dispute inquiries. You can find the dispute, the account. If it doesn't automatically pop up, you just scroll down and find it. Again, select the dispute reason. Permissible purpose is a good one to use. This is EMS, Equifax Mortgage Service. Go ahead and click that. This one's being, let's find this one. Select any reason. It already popped up. Let's find this one. Already popped up. Let's find a reason. And then when I go to disputes tab, notice I have 4 inquiries selected. I'm going to go to inquiry dispute flow, and you're going to see those automatically get populated. Right? Oh, right there. Click create letter, and those dispute letters are generated. Now, Creditfixrr is extremely fast, and as you guys can see, it can generate dispute letters in seconds. All right. Now you can download them. You can send them certified mail from the system, and you can keep track of them within a dispute letter tracker. Once you mail it out, you just want to set the mail date, and that is how you use the Dispute Center.